Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a quick little review of 3D Toonz, and I usually show you the end page. This is my page. So you click the link in the video description, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. 3D Toonz is a 3D cartoon character builder platform. They start off with 100,000 different characters, and you can create anything you want, done with artificial intelligence. And then the real kicker, besides a super cheap one-time price, is the commercial sales. So you have a commercial license that comes with it when they're releasing it right now. So fresh out this morning, there is I think it's $17. There's a $6 off and a $5 off discount coupon code. So you're going to get it down to $11 or $12 listed in the blog post. I'll show you what's here. So when you click the link, here's where you show up. Let's just scroll through this and give you an idea what scary stuff. There's the 3D Toonz. Here's the blog post. Bit of a description. Multi-niche 3D characters, puts it all together for you. You get the idea. And then it has the demo video, show you exactly how it all works. Should I start that up? I'll show it, run it for a sec. Just to give you a quick idea. I'm just signing in. Gives you an idea what it looks like inside the site. You can see avatar builders, 3D, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to stop there. You can look at that yourself. The demo video is there. Bit of a description of how you log in, customize, download, and profit. Easy as that. And then you come down here. There's some discount coupon codes. It'll save you $5 or $6 off. You click this box, and boom, you're at the site. And you can grab a copy of 3D Toonz. Fresh out this morning. So I rambled through the three. I'm kind of listening to the sound out there. So here you go. Log in, select from 100,000 3D characters. Easily customize the characters for your requirements, and then download and profit. Preview, download in one click, use it for yourself, or sell it to your clients. That's the commercial agency part, and keep the profits. There you go. You can watch the demo and see how easy it is to put these kind of things together. Again, fresh out this morning, like minutes ago. It's called 3D Toonz. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the video description and go check out 3D Toonz, and definitely grab the $5 or $6 discount coupon code to take it from $17 down to $11 or $12. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.